viewers, I am V Vidya Hasni of class 10. Today I am here to discuss about an activity. Do all the crystals are dry? Here I have taken some materials like copper sulfate, distilled water, watch glass, spatula, test tube holder and boiling test tube and burner. Take the boiling test tube and add few quantity of copper sulfate to it. We can observe this, the color of the crystal is blue in color. Now, heat it over a flame for some time. Hold the test tube with the help of a test tube holder. Now, heat the test tube over a flame. Let boil it. We can observe that water droplets are placed at the walls of the boiling test tube. After some time, we can observe that blue color crystals are turned into white color crystals in a powdery form. Now, collect this powdery in the watch glass. Now add some distilled water to it. We can observe that it turns into blue color again. From this we can conclude that some substances are crystalline in nature and forms and water molecules. Thank you.